right, everybody, totally buenos dias. Welcome to another Traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. Today, this is part 5 in Grecia, Costa Rica, just about 30 minutes outside the SJO airport. So pretty close to the airport. We're going to be doing the farmer's market today, so it's a Friday. Friday at about noon right now. It's sun's out a little bit. So we're going to be doing a walkie-talkie tour here in the farmer's market. So if you're coming here, guys, you want to look for it. I got here on Waze. I navigated myself on Waze, and you'll probably just look for Lagar right here, a hardware store. That's what you're going to be looking for. So before we begin all of this walkie-talkie tour here, and we'll do some drone video too, let's talk about how to get here from the airport. And then look at that drone footage.
So we'll start off with a big view of Costa Rica entirely and zoom in on the SJO airport right there, where you'll get your airport transfer or rental car and drive about 30 minutes up to Grecia. It's a well-paved road, easy to get to downtown. Now we'll zoom in on the downtown area and I'll show you how close the farmer's market is. Just about a few blocks. You could easily walk this from the downtown area. They do have parking, of course, that we'll see at the farmer's market if you decide to drive there as well. And now some drone footage. We'll start off with the market itself. You can see how it's configured there with the parking around. Then we'll get into a shot of the downtown. So the church is off in the top left there, short walking distance. Here's some of the mountains surrounding Grecia. Super nice, super green area. So here's a shot in the direction opposite of downtown. You can see the Maxi Pali right there, the grocery store. And one last shot of the market. There's Lagar right in the middle of the frame. Big hardware store, right back towards downtown, just a few blocks away. Very nice, compact town, very easily walkable.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed some of that drone footage. You can see down there, there's a Maxi Pali. That's like a grocery store. So you turn in here, I turned in here. The entrada. It's a pretty interestingly configured farmer's market, I gotta say. I like it. So parking is 500 mil. $1 thereabout, and you pay when you exit is what I was told. So you get a ticket, then you pay when you exit. Now the farmer's market itself is like this big like round thing, big round thing going on. So you can see there's the main hall right here. Maybe we'll just do the whole circuit. What do you guys think? I'm just kind of making this up. This is the first time I've been here. This is all like the public parking around here, and then it's cool too because all the stalls, the vendors can like pull right up to all the stalls. So I'm pretty sure this is like meant for vendors right here. And we're just gonna, guys, this is a big market, so we're gonna walk through real quick. Maybe we'll stop some places, look at, prices. If you guys want to look at prices, pause the video. I got places to be, man. I'm looking for lip pillows. I got places to be. So we got piñas, different size piñas, $1, $1.50. That one's about $2.50, the big one. What do we got? We got all kinds of stuff here, guys. Cafe. Cool, bananas. So this one goes all the way. We're gonna walk all the way. What we'll do is just walk all the way. You guys can look. You guys can look at everything that there is. Cool. Oranges, lemons, lettuce. Got corn, onions. Onions are. Oh, potatoes are $2 a kilo. Oh. Chayote. Chayote is 1 for 400 colones. So 1 for like 80 cents. There we go. Cool. Chilies. 2 for $1. Big chilies. Big peppers. Tomato. We got $2 a kilo. Lechuga. Hydroponica. Okay, so hydroponic. Maybe that's like grown inside or something, I guess. Hola. So lots of vendors with fresh food. I like it. I like it. In fact, I think they're over on the other side. There's a lot more vendors with fresh food. Bigger vendors. And some with like, look like there's some exotic fruit people. We got peaches. We got apples. Got all kinds of berries. Cool. Rambutan, $2 for a kilo. Hola. Mushrooms. Oh, cool. There's mushrooms. These chips are delicious. Hola. Chips are delicious. I love the plantain chips. It's like my go-to snack. Oh, a little vivero. little greenhouse. So some of these vendors actually have like their business. So I don't know, maybe they like rent it permanently, like every Friday they're here. And I'm here on a Friday. I don't know if it's only on Friday this is held. You can see, you know, you get some more information. So I'm sure they can do delivery if you're coming through here. And you're interested in stuff. We got some meat. Dude, I love meat. I love meat. That's why I don't eat green stuff. I know a lot of people tell me I should know what the green stuff is in these videos. I have subcontracted all the consumption of green stuff to cows. So they do it for me and then I eat them. So unfortunately, guys, you're just going to have to suffer through my ignorance of what the green things are. Got potatoes. So then we're going down here and I think we're coming back this way. I just did like a little reconnaissance kind of mission. Oh, so there's chilies, green chilies. Cool. Garlic. Oh, so I think we're starting to get in some cheese and eggs here. Some cheese and eggs. Huevos. How much are huevos? Oh, mango. Mango, mango. Huevos. There we go. All flustered from that mango situation. That was a disaster. There was a first responder there for a second. I feel like I'm thanking myself for my service. Kilo of potatoes, $2. There you go. Bananas, every type of ripeness. What else we got? Oh, more green stuff. I don't think this is the green stuff you eat. I know that much. If it's in a plant, if it's in like a pot, you don't eat it. I won't try to eat it. Let my cows eat it. Oh, see, and this stuff is a lot of different stuff here. Oh, and it's in English too. So you got radish. There's the prices for the radish. Bok choy. What's this? A beet. This is chives. This is a radish. See, this is why I don't commit things to memory, because that's a radish, this is a radish, different radishes. For that reason, I'm out. Let me go. Cilantro. Cool. This stuff's healthy, I think. Cilantro's very healthy. Basil. See, so this is all stuff that if you're into green stuff, you know, definitely check out this one. What's his, right there. What's up? Go, guys. So there you go, guys. If you want green stuff, this is what's up. If you're coming through Grecia. Oh, there's the exit, presumably for the car stuff, for the car type things. Just gonna do a wide circle around. What's all this? What is this? Ooh, okay. Oh, it's like pricing, I guess. Oh, I don't see any pricing on it though. Must just be pick your pricing. So yeah, here's another vendor kind of path. And there's actually restaurants here too that I saw. There's some restaurants in the middle. I might hit them up. We got wine, we got honey. Look at all the honey here. It's good. So we're looking at about $11 for a big thing of honey. Honey-like products. Oh man. That's a pretty good price. Big pineapples. Hola. Sandia. $2.50 a kilo. For sandia, we got mangoes. Oh, there's a big mango. It's a big fat mango right there. That's the mango special. So which way are we going down here, guys? Which way looks more tantalizing? I feel like we've seen a lot of fruits and veggies. Let's go down this way and see what else we got. Let us see. Those are the things that vegans eat. Man, what are they called? Avocados. Avocados. Not a vegan, so I don't know what those are. These things are delicious. I just started eating these. I've always like not wanted to eat them because they always seem like too much work, but they're like little grapes. They're like grapes. Hola, what's that? Empanadas. Oh wow.
This is de carne, pollo, caprese, espinaca, queso, cebolla y queso.
Cool.
Son muy ricas, son horneadas. Tarta de coco, brooklyn, cake de zanahoria y chimichurri.
Cool. ¿Y cuánto cuestan empanadas? 1500. Okay. ¿Y cuál es su nombre? Vanessa. Joshua. Gusto. Gracias. Cool, guys. So there you go. Check out empanadas. This is a really interesting. I like this. I like this aisle. Oh, we got a little macrobiotica. I might come back and get some empanadas. The grapes. Look at all the grapes. Those are big, girthy grapes. Girth on those grapes is sizable. Good size. We got shopping carts. Yeah, okay. Check out shopping. I wonder if they do like a deposit. If you guys know anything, I'm just breezing through. I'm honestly on a quest for lip pillows. If you guys know what lip pillows are and if you know where to get them in San Jose, please leave me a comment. I'm jonesing right now. Not even thinking about food. And I don't think anywhere at the farmer's market is selling those. Ooh, we got over here. So, oh yeah, restaurants right here, man. I'm getting distracted. Big time. We got some restaurants. We got a soda. Is this Greek? Yeah, that's like kind of Greek lettering, right? A Greek soda. Oh man, that looks yummy actually. What else? This is like a little food court. Oh, we got ice cream right there and sugary stuff. What's this one? This one is family. Oh, big bread. Look at that. So this big bread thing is $2. Wow. Hola. What's that? Cajitas. Nice. $4. Son, total son.
En cajitas.
Ajá, en cajitas. ¿Son 12?
No, trae 5.
Trae 5. Ah, ok, hay 5 en la caja.
Caja trae.
Ajá, ok.
Esas son como enviar a Estados Unidos. A esas las llevamos.
Ah, ok. Perfecto, gracias. I think I kind of heard some of that. I got tinnitus, guys. I got tinnitus. Loud noises. I can't hear stuff. Ask anybody that knows me. That's my excuse for not listening. Oh, we got like juices here. Nice. That's a good one. We got plums. We got all kinds of fruity things. All kinds of fruity stuff here. No mirror either. We got pineapples. We got animal food, dog food. That's dog food. We got dog food. So you can kind of get like everything here, I guess. These guys got, man, stuff, dude. These guys got green things that make lettuce with, or make salad. Make salad, be healthy, right? Very cool. This is a great little farmer's market. So I think we're reaching right back to where we came from. We'll just do this one last road. Let's slow it down. I think that was a good length video. Let's slow it down and see if we can see some pricing here. Okay, here we go. We got tomatoes, so $2 a kilo for tomatoes. The littler tomatoes are $1.60 kilo. These green things are 60 cents every one of them. So 60 cents, I think, is about what that is. CU, I think, means like Cada Unidad. So that's like per unit pricing. We got over here, oh, pepinos. That's mi nombre. Mary Pepino. That's mi nombre. And we got chiles. What are the chiles? We got prices on chile. Oh, we got onion, red onion, $700 a kilo, $1.40 a kilo. Oh, this is a big pina. 1,200 colon pinas. And the bigger ones are 1,500 colon. Although I've been told that the smaller ones are better. I've been told that the smaller pinas are a lot better. They're sweeter and they're more natural, apparently. Less, how do you say, the spray stuff on it. As I've been driving for 2 days straight, I don't know, my brain's not working. But in any event, I hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to hit like it, subscribe, leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. Let me know if you've been to this market, how you like it, if there's other good ones around as well. See you on the next video. And actually, I should say, before we get out here, check out all 5 videos in this itinerary series. So we did Grecia, 5 videos. We stayed at Tierra Nueva. We did downtown where the church is. We did the municipal market, which is open every day. I just went to a waterfall, so that one should be up right now. Very cool waterfall. El Paraíso waterfall. And then this is the final one, so the farmer's market. All those links will be in the description below, and we'll do a blog post too for the website. Check it out, man. Thanks for watching. Bye now.